In a classroom in Nepal, a 10-year-old opens a textbook. They can read the words, but they don't understand them. By this age, children should be reading to learn, not still learning the basics of reading. This challenge is not unique to Nepal. It is happening globally. Especially in the global south, education frameworks are clear. The early years must build strong foundations. Sustainable Development Goal 4 aims to ensure inclusive and equitable quality education and promote lifelong learning opportunities for all by 2030. Across Nepal, many primary grade children continue to face challenges in foundational literacy and numeracy, the basic reading, writing, and mathematics skills that unlock all future learning. Strengthening these foundations early is essential for children's confidence, progression, and long-term opportunities. Foundational literacy and numeracy are the building blocks of learning. Reading with understanding, writing with confidence, and doing basic number operations. These skills are shaped in the early grades. If they are missed early, children fall behind, and catching up becomes harder with each school year. In Nepal, national learning data shows that many children in grade 3 are still not reaching grade level proficiency. The NARN 2020 assessment found that more than 1 in 10 grade 3 children could not read a single word correctly. More recently, MICS-based SDG learning measures tell a similar story. Only about 1/3 of children at grade 3 level show expected foundational reading skills, and less than 1/3 show expected foundational numeracy skills. There is a practical, proven way to close these gaps. In 2021, Teaching at the Right Level, TARL was piloted by Street Child in partnership with the World Bank. Building on the pilot success, the approach expanded. From 2023 to 2026, Street Child of Nepal, in collaboration with the CEHRD under Ministry of Education, Science and Technology and Asman Nepal, and with support from the Hempel Foundation, scale TARL through Build the Basics to reach over 600 schools, supporting Nepal's National Recovery and Accelerated Learning Plan. The approach is simple and powerful. Start with quick assessments, understand each child's learning level, and provide targeted support so that every child can master the basics and move forward. Real change begins in the classroom, and teachers are at the heart of it. Through TARL, teachers receive practical training and teacher guides aligned with the national curriculum. Teaching at the right level is a learner-centered approach. Instead of teaching by grade alone, teachers group children by their learning levels. Focus on the basics first and move forward only when children are ready.
म चाहिँ अहिले कुमाग गाउँपालिकाको वडा नम्बर 3 र वडा नम्बर 4 को 6 वटा विद्यालयमा चाहिँ मेन्टरको रूपमा काम गरिरहेको छु। विद्यालयमा शिक्षकहरूलाई चाहिँ पाठ्य योजना निर्माण साथसाथै उहाँहरूको डाटा अभिलेखीकरणमा सहयोग गरिरहेको छु। नभए पनि मैले चाहिँ यो ठाउँको चाहिँ 13 जना ट्रायल शिक्षकहरूमा चाहिँ मेन्टरिङ गरिरहेको छु। त्यसबाट चाहिँ उहाँहरूलाई कन्फ्युजन भएको क्रियाकलाप चाहिँ मैले स्वयं पनि गएर कक्षा कोठामा चाहिँ सञ्चालन गर्ने गरेको छु।
Teachers are supported by mentors to ensure effective implementation of TARL. This is how classrooms become more inclusive because no child is left behind. Progress is tracked through regular formative assessments to measure improvements in foundational literacy and numeracy. Teachers review results, adjust instruction, and ensure that every child is supported. The tools are simple and easy to use, but the shift is significant. Teaching becomes responsive, evidence-informed, and focused on learning, not just coverage. The approach aligns closely with Nepal's national education priorities and school education sector plan targets, strengthening foundational learning as a pathway to better quality education and improved learning outcomes.
विद्यालय सुधार योजना बनाउँदाखेरि हामी यस टाल्समा जति क्रियाकलापहरू गरियो यस्ता क्रियाकलापहरूलाई समेट्ने गरी हामी विद्यालय सुधार योजना बनाउने योजना बनाएका छौँ.
Through continuous engagement and data-driven review processes, local governments and schools have built a strong foundation for evidence-based planning, driving a smooth transition towards sustainability and long-term impact of TAR.
यो सिकाइकुलले गर्दा हाम्रो बालबच्चाहरू राम्ररीसँग सिकिरहेछ. जुन पनि विषयमा जुन तालले सिकाइरहेछ त्यो तालिम गरेर आएको हाम्रो शिक्षकहरू तिनीहरूले जुन अहिले सिकाइ गरेछ त्यो मलाई धेरै राम्रो लाग्यो.
यो सिकाइ स्तरमा आधारित ट्रायल कक्षाले बालबालिकाको आधारभूत भाषिक तथा गणितीय सिप विकासको लागि महत्त्वपूर्ण भूमिका खेलेको छ. हामीले पनि अब पालिकामा निरन्तरता दिनुपर्छ कि भन्ने लागिरहेको छ.
अहिले सबै बच्चाको लेभल म पनि उ जस्तै हुँ भनेर चाहिँ बराबर लेभलमा छौँ हामीहरू भन्ने यस्तो सोच उनीहरूमा विकास भएको छ. अब यो ट्रायल विधिको प्रयोग गरिसकेपछि मापनका तिनी टुल्सहरू प्रयोग गरिन्छ, त्यसरी स्तर निर्धारण गरिन्छ. त्यो टुल्सहरू चाहिँ सामान्य अभिभावकहरूले सामान्य पढे लेखेको साक्षर मान्छेहरूले पनि गर्न सक्ने भएको हुनाले घरमा पनि बच्चा बच्चीलाई त्यहाँसम्म पुर्याउन उहाँहरूले सहयोग गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ.
पहिलाको क्लासमा चाहिँ सोध्न डराउने, ओहो मलाई सोध्नुहुन्छ कि म्यामले भन्ने बच्चाले चाहिँ अहिले ग्रुपमा डिस्कसन गर्ने अनि प्लस केही नआएको खण्डमा मिसलाई सोध्ने, गोलो घेरा लगाउने अनि यहाँनेरि मलाई आएन म्याम भनेर खुलेर बोल्न सक्ने भएका छन्. यो टाल पछाडि चाहिँ
100 मा 1, 10 मा 1, 1 मा 1.
By strengthening teacher capacity, aligning innovative approaches with national goals, and prioritizing learning outcomes, this work shows what is possible when foundational learning comes first. From the plains of Madhes to the remote hills of Karnali, TAR reaches even the hardest to reach classrooms. The approach is adaptable. It works in low-resource schools and can support inclusive classrooms because it meets children where they are. When a child learns to read with understanding, when the foundations are strong, learning becomes limitless. In Nepal, the future of education is not being built in textbooks alone. It is being built in classrooms by teachers, one child at a time. Because every child doesn't just deserve a place in school, they deserve the power to learn.
सबैलाई नमस्कार. मेरो नाम रेजना राणा हो. मेरो नाम अंकुश यादव. मेरो नाम प्रीति सानी हो. म कक्षा 2 मा पढ्छु. कक्षा 2 मा पढ्छु. कक्षा 4, कक्षा 5, कक्षा 4. नमस्कार. मेरो नाम अजय प्रियदास हो. मेरो नाम प्रताप हो. कक्षा 5. नमस्कार. मेरो नाम